guys, this is the video on section 3.3 DNA structure. These are the standards. 1. Outline DNA nucleotide structures in terms of sugar, base, and phosphate. 2. State the names of the 4 bases in DNA. 3. Outline how DNA nucleotides are linked together by covalent bonds into a single strand. 4. Explain how a DNA double helix is formed using complementary base pairing and hydrogen bonds. 5. Draw and label a simple diagram of the molecular structure of DNA. This is the basic structure. As you can see, it's a phosphate attached to a deoxyribose, which is attached to a base. And we will get to the bases on the next slide. The 4 bases of DNA structure are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Adenine and guanine are purines, which means that they have 2 structural rings. Cytosine and thymine are pyridamines, which means that they have 3 structural rings. And you can remember that by remembering that they both have a Y in them and that a pyramid is 3. Adenine will always pair with thymine, and guanine will always pair with cytosine. Nucleotides are linked together by covalent bonds. A covalent bond forms between the sugar of one nucleotide and the phosphate of another nucleotide, as you can see in the picture, and I'll give you a second to look at it. Okay, hydrogen bonds create the double helix. DNA is made up of 2 nucleotide strands connected by covalent bonds. The 2 strands are connected by hydrogen bonds. Adenine and thymine and cytosine and guanine pairing is called complementary base pairing. These pairs create the spiral effect that is the double helix. DNA structure. Draw and label a simple diagram of the molecular structure of DNA. This will be on the next slide. As you can see, all the hydrogen bonds and the phosphates and all of the bases, and you can see that every time thymine and adenine are based together and guanine and cytosine are based together. Quiz time! Which pairing is incorrect? A. Adenine and thymine. B. Guanine and cytosine. C. Adenine and guanine. Or D. Thymine and adenine. The correct answer is C. Adenine and guanine. Where does the covalent bond form? Between the sugar of one nucleotide and the phosphate of another. Between adenine and thymine. Between cytosine and guanine. Or between the sugar of one nucleotide to the complementary sugar of another. The correct answer is A, between the sugar of one nucleotide and the phosphate of another. How many strands make up DNA? 3, 1, 2, or 4? The correct answer is C, 2.